In this problem, what we want to do is to calculate the bitwise array between answer I and answer I plus 1. So take this 31 as example. If we turn this 31 into binary string, which is gonna be 1 1 1 1. So this is 31. Check this number. The first bit of this number is 16, and the other bits of all the other, where in this case all the bits in this number is 1, and all the other bits except the first one is 15. So you can see 15 plus 1 gonna be 16, and then you do a bitwise OR, you can get a 31. There's no 0. So what we want to do is to find the first 0, then get rid of this bit of 1. The left bits will be the answer we are looking for. This is the bit 0 we are looking for. But the special case is if this is the first bit, which is the prime number 2, then it's gonna be a special case where it is not possible to get this answer.